Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am saving in my family binder. I have $60 in prop money. So let's get started. And like I said, this is the end of the year roundup. We are, hold on, what is today? It's after Christmas. Do you guys have a good Christmas? I am like ready to chill out, to relax. Let's see what we doing first. Let's do and so our adventure begins. And this is created by Mint Dough. And let's roll a D20. $12. Ooh, we got a 12 up here. And this is for our vacation for 2026. So $12. I am super excited to put in some new challenges, switch some things up, make a whole reset. All right, let's go. Let's see what we can complete. So this is created by Budget with Carly. Take what you need and pass it on. It says $50, and this go towards my daughter's sinking funds. So we got $2 here and one more up here. $4, so $6. Is that everything? I think so. So $6. Come on. So 5 and 6, and it says 50. So let's make sure we got 50 in here. We got 20, 45, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Yes, $50. It's going towards her sinking fund. And did I grab a pen? Yeah. So plus 50, so she is at plus 50, 185. So this will just go towards her sinking fund. So if she need anything, ask for anything, that is in there for her. And this is for my son. This is also created by Budget with Carly. And let's roll a D6. We got a 5. So we got $5 in the last row, a 4, so $9. Do I got $1 in here? I do. So let's put 2 5s and let's count the total up for him. And we have 20, 45, 50. So $50 going in there for him. So plus 50, calculator. And we got 185 for him. And as you can see, that's perfect. I try to keep them both kind of even. And so this is for my daughter and that's him. 185, 185. That's perfect. I didn't know that was going to be that way, but it was. So I'm telling you, that's for like, oh, mom, I need, or mom, can I get, or mom. And I'll just go right into their sinking fund and grab it on out. All right, so we got this saving challenge. This is for my sinking fund. And we got, let me move some of this stuff out the way. We got 2 scratches here. This is created by Stuff and Budget. It takes real skills to choke on air, fall up the stairs, and trip over nothing. I have those skills. Yes, I do. Says $55. So let's see. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that is a 9. Are we gonna be able to finish this? And the 2 biggest numbers for $17. 17. Let me there's 15, 16, 17. And let's see if we got the $55. Come on. All right. We got 20, 30, 5, 45, 50, 52, 53, 54, 55. Yes, $55. So we got 138 plus 55, 193. Perfect. All right, next we got hubby. Are we gonna finish anything on here? Okay, we got a couple dollars. This is created by Beauty Mom Budgets. Let's see, are we gonna finish? Ooh, we got an 8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we got $8. So if that's an 8, we have enough. It's a 4. So $12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we only got $4 left. I wanted to finish the other challenge too. All right, so this is $45. All right, we got 20, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. $45 going in there for hubby. Let's see. So we got plus 45. 143 plus 45 is 188. Perfect. All right. I wanted to finish this one. This one, I literally have one scratch in one row. I only have $4, and that could be an 8 or a 5. What shall I do, Gems? What shall I do? Oh, I don't want to leave one scratch. I'm just going to put, I'm going to do it. And I just add money to here. So we can call this completed. All right, so let's see this scratch. Oh, I knew that was going to be an 8. So that's 8. And then we'll just put the $4 here. So I owe this one. Or should I roll? Let's roll. Let's do a D4. Okay. I was going to put the $4 anyway. $4. All right, so I owe this one 8. All right, so let me go ahead and then count. So this one say 120, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So 139 plus $8. So ooh, $147. And this go towards our home sinking fund. So $147. That is perfect. Look at us. Oh, I should have put it on here. What I say this was? $147. So 147 plus 120 is $267 is what we have in our home sinking fund now. I love this. I just love doing it this way. Perfect. All right, and that is it. So emergency fund, we finished that one last week. That has $625 in there. And then I forgot to do a tracker for my rainy day. So then rainy day, I can go ahead and count it for you guys. Got 50, 70, 80, 82, 83, 84, $85. So $85 added for rainy day. All right, gems, that is it. We finished a lot of challenges in this binder. So I can add some new things in for the new year. So stay tuned for that. All right, gems, that is it. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.